Now I am going to show you how to make mirror work embroidery. These are the different shapes of mirror available in the market. You can select whichever size and whichever shape you want to fix it in the dress. Now I will show you how to stitch the mirror. I am going to show how to do mirror work, how to fix the mirror in the cloth. First, we are going to do bars across the mirror. First, parallel bars. Then it is going to be bars across the parallel lines. We have to bring the bar here. Before that, keep the thread in the center of the mirror and take a stitch in the so this thread doesn't come out and this thread also doesn't come out. Make it tight. Now keep the thread in the center of the mirror. Take a stitch in the pull it down. This is the 4-bar method. See, it doesn't come out. It has to be fixed, and this is the center portion is going to be shown. We are going to cover the outer portion. I am going to do herringbone stitch. 1 stitch in the mirror, 1 stitch outside. One stitch into the mirror, 1 stitch outside in the cloth. Now the mirror is fully covered. Now you can see we are using a round mirror, but since we used the 4-bar method, the center portion which exposes the mirror is in square shape. This is the 4-bar method filled with herringbone stitch. Now I am going to show you 8-bar method. In this 4-bar method, the round mirror, after finishing in the center, it shows a square. Here this 8-bar method, the center will be a circular or round. Parallel lines, then 2 bars across, just across. You have the 4 corners. Now we are going to go across the corner. From here to here. Parallel lines on all 4 sides. First parallel lines like plus and then parallel lines like into. You can see the parallel lines this way and across, crisscross. This is the 8-bar method. Now from inside to outside, take a stitch a little away from the mirror, take a stitch. See, the thread is on the right side of the needle, left to right, wind it left to right, like a lazy daisy. Again, inside to outside, take a stitch. The thread is on the right side of the needle, left side to right side. Lazy daisy. Inside to outside, take a stitch, wind from the opposite direction, inside to outside, take a stitch, lazy daisy, take a stitch, inside to outside, take a stitch, wind from opposite direction, lazy daisy, take the next stitch, inside to outside, take a stitch, wind in the opposite direction, lazy daisy, next stitch, inside to outside, inside to outside, eight-bar method with herringbone on the outer edge. Sorry, 8-bar method with lazy daisy on the outer edge. When you use 4-bar method, the square shape shows in the center. When you use 8-bar method, here it shows round shape. Even if you use a square mirror, and use the same 8 bar method, you will get a circle in the center, the circular space, open space in the center. Here 8 bar method with 2 different shades of herringbone stitch. Simple chain method with outer patterns of satin, stem. Eight bar method with feather stitch outside.